Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bagwindy DIY Auto, and this is another video on my Chrysler Town and Country. My driver's seat, the lower section is ripped, and I thought I had to replace the seat itself, but then when I went online I discovered there is a cover that can be replaced instead of the whole seats or the total seats. So I went online and I discovered that I could order the cover through Amazon, which I did, and today I am going to replace the lower section of my seat. Here's the section that is ripped over the period of 6 years. In fact, when I purchased this vehicle 6 years ago, it was just like this, but not the rip right here, but just this here. And I remember the sales rep took it to the back shop and they repaired this right here. I don't know if they use a liquid leather, but when they brought it back and delivered it to us, it was all nice and beautiful. And but over the period of 6 years, it's wore down. You can see this side here is not as bad as this side. And I thought I had to replace the seats, but like I said, I discovered that I could replace the cover. This section here is totally different from the backrest. So I went online and I ordered a seat cover, which is this right here. And I see how it attached. These are the clips. Here's the clips for the front, and there are two clips on the back side here, and on the inside we have a clip here, and then also on the center along the threaded area here, crossed here, I noticed there are clips that runs along this section here, which I assume they are right here, along here and across here. So I am going to, I've never done it before, so based on there's no instruction came with the new cover. I assuming it's just the same procedure as it looks on the new cover here. So I am going to replace this bottom sections of the seat cover and install a new one. So that's going to be my project for today. So let's get into it. So first, what I have to do here is to remove this section here. And in order to remove this section here is just clipped on. So I'm just going to push it out like that and just lift it off here. And then this is the cover. The clips, I assume they should be inside here. So I'm going to see if I can feel the cover, the clips in here. I can see the clips. See, this is one of the clips here. So I'm going to put my hand underneath here to see if I can detach the clip right here. Okay, here's one of the clips. Okay, and then here's one in the front here. Okay, and here are the two forward clips right here. Well, there is just one. Here's the forward clip here, which is just snapped underneath here. This one here, and then there is also one on the other side here, which is just as on the left side. Okay, and here is the right side clip. I've already popped it off, this one here. So we have one on the right, one on the left, and there's also one forward. and there are two in the back. Okay, and there are two clips in the back here. In order to get to these two clips, I have to remove this here. This also has a clip, this cover right here, which is this clip right here. And then I have access to the two clips underneath here. There's one right here, and then there's another one right here. Okay, see, right, this one here is missing, but there should be two clips back here. So, and then that's all there is to it, and then go ahead and remove the cover. Okay, so now I popped all the clips. Now I can remove the cover. And this is the cover here. Okay, now here are the clips that I was talking about that is unseen. These are the clips where these guys sits in. These guys right here sits in these clips right here, which is attached to the seats. And then the cross clips for this guy right here sits in there. Now this is your heat pad. Whenever I need a heated seat, I would press that switch right here, and this is the heat pad for the bottom rest, and there's one right here. Okay, so this will not be an interrupt. So that's it for removing the old seat cover. You can see where it's ripped, and the erosions has taken place over the period of 6 years. This one here started ripping apart. So now I can go ahead and install the new seat cover. First, I need to go ahead and make sure that these guys here locks in. That's that guy right there. Okay, that locks in. Do this side here. This guy. Okay, that one locks in. Go ahead and lock this one here in. Okay, that's that one. That's it. And then this one here. Okay, now those are locked in. Now I can go ahead and spread my seats. Okay. These are the clips right here for the side here. Go ahead and lock it in. Let's see. That one locks in. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the final installation for the driver's seat, and it was a little tough trying to get the back clips in, but I got it in, and that should wrap it up for replacing the lower section of my driver's seat. Okay guys, hopefully you like it. This is what it looks like after the final installation. Alright guys, if you like this job here, give me a thumbs up, and please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.